How's everybody doing? Today I want to introduce a new gadget that I ordered. It comes from the GoPro line. It's the digital remote Bluetooth. It's Bluetooth enabled digital remote that's made for the GoPro Hero 8 and Hero 9. As you can see on my right hand, I'm already using it and I'm trying it out since it said that it was made to be waterproof. So I'm trying it out right now just to see how it looks like. It's just a short video of me demonstrating of how this small little gadget, similar to the old one that worked for the original GoPro all the way up to Hero 7, because the Hero 8 came this new advanced one. It's got different buttons, different types of features. It looks similar to the same, except that now it's being charged with a USB-C type of cable instead of the other one. It shows here where I'm able to put it underwater, and it pretty much showed that it's waterproof. I'm gonna try to put the camera down also. I'm coming at you from the GoPro Hero 9 with the mod lens. As you can see right here, I'm gonna just dip the camera underwater with the remote. It looks pretty good. It looks like a very dependable gadget that one might want to have when you're doing remote control filming, videotaping, videos out there. For you bloggers out there, for you people that love taking photographs, videos, different types of scenery where you'd want to activate the camera from far away. That's pretty much what this is for. This is just a small demonstration. I haven't really gotten too much into detail. As I said, I just barely got it today. Today is January the 7th of 2021. So we're still trying it out here, and then I think I'll be doing pretty good with this. I'm just trying to hurry up. I'm trying to hurry up and to get the timer going. But for now, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. You don't know how important it is to have more subscribers. I'm trying my best to do a lot better videos. Thank you.